Say hello, guys. Hello, people. Good morning. Today's pajama day. Jamar is getting ready for school. So he's dressing in his pajama. Gonna be comfortable today. So you don't have a lot of time to be lingering around. So
yeah, and I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. Javon's trying to change the TV.
Look at this girl right here. Right here, Cece. Where you going, Cece? Cece. Cece. La 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 la. Nothing. Ding ding. La 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 la. La 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 la. Your turn. Go. Go. Say it. Nothing. Dada. Mama. Mama. Baba. Baba. That's my grandfather. It's my grandfather's name. Say Baba. So, me and Cece's here, just chilling. I need to go on the road. I'm just trying to edit my video from yesterday, try to put it up. But I'm just here. I don't even move. It's like, I don't want to move. I just want to relax. I need to definitely finish Christmas shopping, but I haven't, move yet. I don't know. It's just I'm just trying, just trying to relax, breathe in, breathe out, take it easy. And on my video yesterday, I didn't talk about a lot on the app that we use to talk to the doctor, because what I noticed with the app, that I didn't really like it because I couldn't see the doctor face, but she could see me. I figured out the way that she could see me. And I don't know what I don't know what to say. I don't think it's okay. Depends what now I'm watching the news and the lady was talking on the camera, the news person, and the woman just come posing up herself in the camera. But yeah, back to what I was saying. On the app, yeah, I couldn't see the doctor, and I didn't like that. And she was telling me, you'll see the video and all of that, but it's kind of cool just experience that. So cool that our technology have gone that you don't have to go to the doctor no more. You could stay at your home or anywhere on the road talking to the doctor. Okay, I have a rash on my feet or something, just like, for instance, you send a picture to somebody and say you got a rash, they tell you. So that's good that you could communicate with your doctor that way, so you don't waste a trip going so far where you could have stayed home and don't go there, wait in the room, sitting down and all of that. So overall it's okay, but for certain stuff I will definitely recommend going to the doctor. Do not use that phone app. Because I know the doctor that I did talk to, maybe was in a different state. I know they probably wasn't in Florida and all of that. But it was okay. So I know it wasn't nothing major wrong with her. It was just a cold. And she had cold before. That's the same thing with my son Jamar. He always used to be sick when he's a kid, so I think she's gonna be that snot-nosing baby. Snot-nose running baby. But okay, guys, let me see you. Let me show you what under the Christmas tree look like. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, yeah. I just have a few things to get and I'm done. I'm done. Right, Cece? So I think I'm gonna try to get out of this house. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. It's now 10. Let's focus. It is Dang, it's 69 degree here in South Florida. And I'm gonna try to get out the house. I'm gonna try, I swear. So I finally made it on the road. Yeah, I didn't want to go anywhere. I went to the dermatologist just to make sure my skin is still looking flawless, which it is. So I'm gonna be going to the mall and try to finish up this Christmas shopping, get it out of the way. I think I only have 2 more gifts to buy and I'm done, because just trying to keep it simple. It's me and Cece on the road. She's back there sleeping, so I'm going to get going. I'm gonna try the video because it's hard to push the stroller and try the video at the same time. So anytime I video, I gotta probably stop and do it. So enough of the chit chat, and I see you guys in the mall. I'm here at the mall and I see this sign. It's a $19.99. It's right there. It said $19.99 for boots. I've been looking, I don't see no boots for $19.99. This is fake advertisement. It is. You don't see nothing. I've been looking and I don't see nothing. Everything I see, for instance, this say new arrival and it says $60. So I don't know where you find the $20 boots because I don't see it. Do you work here? No? Yeah?
Yes, I work with her.
Oh, you work with her, not here.
No, right now I can, let me finish with her. I work here and let me finish with her.
Oh, I see,
Okay.
I see. And which shoes is on sale? It said $20. I don't see none.
All of the books.
Oh, all of them. Because when I was looking,
All of
it said 20, and then when I look on the price,
yeah.
it says something different. So I was like,
Arizona, no, the price gonna be different, but Arizona is all of the books $19.99.
oh, so
No.
all of these.
All of
Okay.
these have, you see that?
They need to change the sign.
See?
Tricking me.
Yes, I tried to check in with you.
So there goes Cece. Cece, say hello. She just wake up. So these shoes, I'm here wasting my time trying them on because it's so tight. Oh, what happened? Why are you crying? Oh. But they are cute. They're nice shoes, but not for my foot. Say hi, Cece. Cece. So I'm trying to find the right gift. Oh, my mother calling me. Hello? Okay, I get back to you guys. Let me show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna try the video with the baby. It's hard. I'm going home because I didn't see anything in this mall. I'm gonna come back though because I'm tired and exhausted. So let me show you around in the mall. walk out the whole parking lot because I didn't remember where I parked. But I find a car, and I'm gonna be going home. Maybe I come back Saturday, try to come out early so I could find everything because it's getting dark. And Cece have a cold and I don't want to stay out too late with her, so I'm gonna be going home. In a meeting. Home, my son is here mocking me, saying I'm gonna say, guys, welcome, I'm home and Jamar is here. Do I sound like that? I don't. So my mom have Wendy's for us.
And we're gonna watch a movie. I hope you guys can
Look at this drink. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, that!
This is so big.
Let me taste it.
Oh
my gosh, I'm taking it. See ya.
No, throw it some. I don't fear what I eat.
Jamar, the juice gotta share, okay?
You have to share. Stop.
Gotta share. It's
I
for
don't like
all
sharing.
of us. You don't like share, but you like big. So at the mall, it
I
was
also
so
look on
hectic.
Jamar, so I want.
Hold on, Jay. Take your ring off, right? Don't put it on. The mall was so busy for me because I was by myself, and it's so hard to use the camera and the baby. It's too much. It's too much. And I didn't find what I was looking for. Yeah, I did. When you're looking for special things, it's so hard. I never see a cup this big. This is big. What kind of juice is this?
Never remember where lemon.
That kind of lemon,
I
yeah.
want new juice.
That's sour, man. Well, I'm gonna eat because
It is
I'm
some
hungry.
scarf tomorrow when it gets stale.
Do you guys got Wendy's?
Me put spicy nuggets in the tea. And regular.
Regular spice. Regular spice. So good. Cece, who been a good girl? Who been a good girl? La, 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 la. Huh. Say, ooh, 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 ah, You like that? Do you? Do you like that? Do you? Do you? Do you? Do you? Do you? What do you like? 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 Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Kick your feet, see. Kick your feet. See. Kick your feet, them. Kick your feet, them, girl. Kick your feet, them. You wanna sit up? Give me a hand. Who's sitting up now? Who's sitting up? Ooh, ooh. Who's sitting up? Turn that down. So you turn around to the rude stuff. She stops. Cece, you gonna break the gift? Look who is trying to open Christmas present already. What you trying to do? Why you trying to open the present, little girl? No.
Siobhan, if you open, I know what I got.
You're not gonna know because it's in a box, so you're not gonna know.
Oh.
Cece, you trying to open the gifts? That's not you. She said, yeah, that's not your gift, girl. Ooh, look who is sitting up.
Ooh.
They ready for your 6-month update?
What are
Who's
gonna
gonna
be
be
6
6
months?
months soon?
Then it's
Look at this, trying to get over to the gift. Leave the gifts alone. Leave the gifts, Cece. You wanna open your Christmas gift?
It's hers.
Oh my God, she's trying to go. I swear, she's trying to look. Look at that, trying to push off to get the gifts. Girl want gifts. Girl want gifts. You're watching TV. Cece. Cece. Jamar there. Oh my God. Alright.
What a boring child.
Ending right here. I'm tired.
I'm not.
I need to go sleep. I know tomorrow I'm gonna rest all day. Oh, damn, I forgot. I gotta do my school stuff then.
You don't need to.
Yeah, I need to. I gotta do the paperwork to try to get accepted
Oh my
into
gosh.
college. Mm-hmm.
Look.
What? This muscular sound?
Well, you know how much bones are in a people's body?
A lot. How much is it?
600 and...
Little girl. Little girl. Little girl.
It's so hard to count.
Stop eating my foot. So bye guys, and I see you. I see you. Yes, I see you in my next video. Goodbye. Goodbye.